I'm late and you are late also, and it can be demotivate also the employees.
Maybe we can video this kind of conversation and show to the employees and show them how important persons we are and working over the projects, and this is not, but this is a corporate culture to start from morning till evening and fix. We know that like a front desk has to work on the fixed schedule, and we are the managers and we can manage the things behind this overtime and everything is okay. But still I'm caring about our team. And I need your advice besides that, okay, we face that you are coming in late and we are handling this project together and you are like a master of this. How we can manage for this is manageable, that you can come, or this is kind of survival and I have to choose that, okay, maybe Bachana would be exceptional, Bachana, but David, and he will have his own schedule, or we have to go for another solution, how you see?
First of all is, we mentioned already that my job is like a specific one. You can explain to other employees that I can come later.
Yeah, we are a team and maybe we can explain together.
We can explain together.
Yeah.
Or is you think that it's like an attitude and like corporative culture that we have to change our skills and come in the morning in time to work hard, then it's up to you. I think we can change.
I was thinking, by the way, some distance working program, maybe for summertime, 1 week outside, maybe at countryside, we can take our team if this can be doable and work from this distance. This would be like a team building, productive, and kind of innovation. How do you think about this? Yeah, so this
I agree, that's great.
so we will build the more productive, yeah? No, in this case we can agree and let's try on this way. If not, then we cannot succeed and the performance of other employees will decrease and it will go like a zero, then we will make some solutions. Okay, our resource to communicate is giving us chance to speak, and if we will not get some solutions, then I will make some other decisions. Okay, thank you. Let's enjoy our wine and cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'll take the bill, yeah, from business card, no problem. Don't worry, enjoy your bill, yeah.
All right, a big hand for both of them, yeah, for playing this, yeah. So comments, has she solved the problem?
No.
No?
We speak about the problem.
Okay, so like comments from your side?
First step was good.
Yeah?
Speak about the problem.
Okay.
Basically, the problem is composed from several different things. First of them is that top management is not happy with David, and that did not get solved, that got worse, because now he is not even in the office anymore. He's working remotely. Another problem that other employees who are not star performers but still stable, good employees, they're even more demotivated now, because instead of David being reprimanded or something like that, he gets encouraged in his behavior. So
people feel unfair feeling in the organization, that why is he being favored? Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So we need to solve those problems.
Okay.
That should probably be done on all levels. First of all, there should be a talk with top management first, because you have to explain why some of the employees may work different hours than others, and you have to get opinion from your top management. Maybe it's completely unacceptable for them. Maybe it is acceptable in some instances. You have to discover this by talking. Then, based on this information, you already can talk to David and to other employees. To David, if this is unacceptable for top management, yes, then you just have to tell David that this behavior is unacceptable. Yes, it is understandable that he can work different hours and he can be successful, but since top management is not happy, this not only is his problem, it's his manager's problem and other employees' problem from his team. And if he can't deal with that, he can't change his hours, so he should go search for another job. There are no irreplaceable people anywhere. So, but if it is acceptable for top management, then some scheme can be worked out with David. This should be explained to other employees, and they should be at least shown opportunity to do the same if they can demonstrate the same type of results as David does.
Good, very good. Mariam, what do you think about this role play? We're not criticizing Maya for the role play that she played. We're not criticizing her personality. We are critiquing and providing a feedback on the role play that she played over here. In real life, we know that you'll be totally different, but we're using this as an opportunity to learn for each other, and thank you for that. You played a very, very good role play, yeah? So, Mariam, what's your observations and your comments about this role play?
I think that it was not problem is active now also, and I agree with Alex. If I have problems about David's late come to office, firstly I have to care for myself, and then also my place and my job. And then also, if I am leader, team leader, I also take care for my team. And I think that in my team, all leaders are the same.
Very good. So that's a good point, yeah? David, you want to say something?
I think discipline at work is more important than any project. I agree with Mariam.
Okay. So discipline has to be, especially when we are in the middle and senior management, we need to be a little bit more extra careful. That's your point, huh? All right. Anybody else over here? Any point? Yeah. Katya, what do you think?
Sorry? I think that the problem still active. Supervisor just officially all of them to come late at the office. They have such a kind conversation, but supervisor should be strict. Maybe she can do some specific schedule for David, but in this case she also needs to allow another employees to do the same.
Good. All right. Yeah, please.
From the perspective of finances, I can mention that everything is countable, and this can be counted what is the output from the David project and his performance. And besides this, the world is going more flexible and modern culture to work.
Good.
The corporate culture is very important, but from the perspective of the businessman, if my business is profitable by David's performance, even being late, I will negotiate with him and showing up that okay.
Very good.
It's okay. So
Very
not making the very strict friends of the disciplines in a company.
Good.
And giving the alternatives to be more innovator, because great business is built by innovations.
Very good. So since Tina is here,
Yeah.
and she's also a trainer, so would you like to ask her as to what her observations are, and like what would she like to advise? Tina, come on.
Should I comment on the role play right now?
Yeah.
Or what the idea of somebody being late?
Yeah.
Because I'm in HR, I have a very specific idea.
Okay. Yes, please. Yes. Please share.
So generally, when such a meeting takes place and the manager takes someone outside, then it means that you already understand yourself as a supervisor what value is of being late, because someone is not important and they're being late. It can be tolerable, but then at some point we reach the idea that you are late most of the time, you're not existent, so you are not needed in the organization. If I'm spending time and I'm taking you outside to give you feedback that I want you to be on the side and I'm suggesting you the schedule, that's generally positive. However, it is very sensitive towards the rest of the team because, as example, maybe Bachana's case right now is that his impact is so big that I cannot afford to lose him. So I am agreeing for you to schedule. But at the same time, when Alex or Katja are coming to me, if I cannot do the same, one worthy employee can make me lose 20 middle, and that is a very difficult ratio at a certain point. So maybe 10 or 20 average guys which are doing the job right are more important than one that's doing it perfect. So when you're offering some kind of flexibility, it's really for the whole organization or for no one, because I had experience when you try to do it for one or two and that's turning to you is a disaster. But the initiative itself to take the problem outside and discuss, that's what we always do, and that's the best thing to do. So openness, but very careful. So in the end, it's the HR's problem and compensation counting. So that's why we don't want to get there. We want it to be productive and always, yeah.
Yeah, good. A big hand for Tina for this, lovely comments.
Unbelievable.